Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Party popper today, we're diving into Samsung's latest powerhouse, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Rumors suggest it could challenge the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Let's explore what makes this phone a potential game-changer. Mobile phone rocket. Power and performance. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to pack serious power, potentially surpassing the iPhone 16 Pro Max's A18 Pro chip. Recent benchmark leaks hint at its ability to run complex, console-quality games directly on the phone. Video game. Gaming capabilities. Apple has led in mobile gaming with devices like the iPhone 16 Pro Max. The S25 Ultra could change that, possibly becoming the first Android device to run console-level Xbox or PlayStation games natively. With Samsung's history of collaboration with Microsoft, this boost might allow Galaxy users to play Xbox games directly on their device without relying on cloud gaming. Joystick. AI innovations. The S25 Ultra's power could enhance its AI capabilities. Samsung could embed advanced AI processing directly on the device, optimizing it for gaming and the latest AI innovations. Robot face. Hardware and camera technology. Samsung's focus on hardware innovation is a selling point. The S25 Ultra could fully realize the Android hardware advantage over iPhone, especially with meaningful performance improvements. Samsung's camera technology, with multiple sensors and AI-driven optimizations, could be taken further with the rumored power increase, enabling professional-grade mobile photography. Camera with flash. Partnerships and collaboration. Samsung's collaboration with AMD could bring significant gains in graphics and processing performance, making the S25 Ultra a truly next-gen mobile device. For anyone considering a switch from iOS to Android, the S25 Ultra could be the performance and feature powerhouse needed to make the leap. Counterclockwise arrows button. Anticipation and release. As early 2025 approaches, anticipation for Samsung's next flagship grows. This might be the phone that redefines mobile expectations and pulls Apple loyalists back to Android. Stay tuned for more updates on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Calendar. Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition. In other news, Samsung confirmed the arrival of a new Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition. It's currently announced only for South Korea with plans for China next. Globe with meridians. Design and dimensions. Measuring just 10.6 mm when folded and weighing 236 g, the Special Edition is slightly thinner and lighter than the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Here's a quick comparison. Special Edition, unfolded 157.5 by 142.6 by 4.9 mm. Galaxy Z Fold 6, unfolded 153.7 by 132.5 by 5.6 mm. Display and aspect ratio. The Special Edition's wider layout offers a better experience for multitasking and content viewing, featuring a 2018 aspect ratio for its 8.0-inch main display. The Fold 6 has a 4:3 aspect ratio for its 7.6-inch main display. Both likely support a 120 Hz refresh rate. Desktop computer. Durability and build. Built with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and a distinctive stripe pattern, the Special Edition is designed for durability. However, it lacks S Pen support, unlike the Fold 6. Sparkles. Performance and specs. Both phones pack serious power with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chipset. Special Edition, 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. Fold 6 12 GB of RAM with options for 256 GB, 512 GB or 1 TB storage. Both have a 4,400 mAh battery, but charging speed differences haven't been mentioned. Battery.